Bad breath or halitosis can be really embarrassing for some people, and it can be embarrassing to the extent that those people, they lose their confidence and their self-image goes down the drain, and also they don't like to interact socially. All these things can be really detrimental for your progress, whether it's in the workplace or at home or anywhere else. Hello and welcome to my channel, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Dr. Harleen Gill. I'm an Australian dentist, and in this video, I'm going to talk about bad breath, or it's also known as halitosis in medical terminology. Now, there are lots of causes of bad breath, but what I've normally seen people doing is that if they know that they have got bad breath, instead of going and seeing a medical professional, I'll say a dental professional or a dentist. Instead, they just go to the chemist and they grab a bottle of mouthwash, they use it. Unfortunately, it's not what you should be doing. Why? It's because the mouthwash is going to be okay to use for some time. It may be able to suppress that bad breath for some time, maybe a couple of hours, but then the breath comes back. And then they use more mouthwash, and then the cycle goes on and on. And I've already made a video. In my last video, I discussed about the side effects the mouthwashes can have. So if you haven't yet watched that video, you'll find the link up here and in the description box below. So please help yourself with that. Mouthwash is not, it's just, I'll say it's a temporary medication, or it's just a temporary solution. It's not the perfect solution for this problem. Now, coming back to the causes, there are common causes and some uncommon causes of bad breath. The uncommon causes could be any underlying medical problem, like, God forbid, you might have some liver problems, liver failure, liver disease, kidney disease. There could be leukemia, which is blood cancer. It could be also because of some lung infection and oral cancer, or even tonsillitis. It could be also because of some upper respiratory disease or problems like tonsillitis, having and sinusitis. So these were the uncommon problems or the uncommon reasons for the bad breath. What are those common reasons? When you get up in the morning, of course, everyone has very stinky breath. That's because when we are sleeping at night, there is absolutely no saliva in our mouth. Saliva has a cleansing effect. So because there's no saliva, it doesn't help to clean the mouth. Our mouth ends up being so dry, and the stink is going to be very, very overwhelming, particularly if you haven't brushed your teeth the night before. And because of all that food debris still in the mouth and the bacteria and lack of saliva, all these things are going to exaggerate the bad breath. So the next best thing to do would be, as soon as you get up, brush your teeth. And if your teeth are healthy, your gums are healthy, and you don't have any other dental problems, the bad breath will go away. And other people, bad breath could also be because they are not able to effectively clean their teeth. Effectively means that the brush cannot reach, or they are not able to properly clean the nooks and crannies of the teeth. If you still haven't watched my video about effective toothbrushing, you'll find the link here or in the description box below. Please watch that video as well. Effective cleaning is very important because it makes sure that the food which is stuck anywhere between the teeth or around the teeth, it is removed properly and the bacteria do not get a chance to flourish there. Other reason for bad breath could be gum disease. Very, very prevalent in our Indian subcontinent. And it doesn't matter how much mouthwash you use for that gum disease, that problem, that bad breath is still going to come back again and again after a couple of hours. More reasons are if you've got cavities in your mouth. Cavities means more bacteria. More bacteria means, again, bad breath. And some people like to have very pungent smelling foods like garlic and onions. So even some spices can do that. If you have these foods, the best thing to do would be, instead of using a mouthwash, brush your teeth instead. That can take care of that mouth odor. Other reasons are smoking, having alcohol, eating pan, gutka. All these things will also have those those peculiar kind of smells. They create those peculiar kind of smells in the mouth. Constipation, having gas, a lot of gas or constipation can also cause bad breath. And normally people who have constipation, they're unaware of this fact. And constipation is more frequently seen in those people who either have a lot of unrefined food, or they do not exercise much, or they have a lot of missing teeth. A lot of missing teeth means inability to chew your food properly, and then because that un or I'll say that the food which hasn't been chewed properly that goes in the stomach is not able to digest it or process it, and that's why they end up getting constipated. So if you have any of these problems, or you're not aware of the main problem but you have bad breath, it's a good idea to go and get it checked by your dentist, who can help you do that. If there is an underlying medical problem, your dentist will then refer you to your medical professional or your medical doctor. Go and reach them out. Please get that problem sorted, because unless and until the cause is sorted, your bad breath will be persistent. So I hope that this video is going to be useful for you. Please subscribe, share, and comment. Until my next video, you take good care of yourself. Bye.